Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change language on all iPhone. Okay, doesn't matter what iPhone you have, all iPhone have the identical navigation. Okay, to change the iPhone language, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings scroll down and you can see general. Now go to general. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you can see language and region. Here you can see language and region. Okay, now tap on language and region and here you can see iPhone language. Here you can see iPhone language. Okay, now tap on iPhone language. You can see currently set as English UK, and many languages are available here. You can see English Australia, English Canada, English India, English Ireland, English New Zealand, and many more are available. You can see Chinese traditional Hong Kong language. Here you can see many languages are available here. You can see. So just tap on the language you want to select. Okay, if you want to select English Australia, tap on English Australia. You can see change to English Australia. Applying this setting will restart your iPhone. Okay, change to English Australia and you can see setting language. Guys, it might take some time to change the language. You can see okay, it is successfully changed. You can see now the iPhone language is English Australia. So guys, this is the method to change language on all iPhone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.